Question number 5C. Sketch the following curve and line and find the area enclosed between their graph. So we have the y equal to square root of x. Okay, y equal to square root of x. The graph is like this. So this is y equal to square root of x. And then we have the y equal to half x. So this is the y equal to half x. So we have the x and y here. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So we have the sub 1 into 2. Then we have the square root x equal to 1 over 2x. X will be the x squared over 4. Okay, so 4x equal to x squared. Okay, so just now we square both sides. Then we have the x squared minus 4x equal to 0. Factorize the 4x. Then we will have the x equal to 0. At the same time, x equal to 4. So this is 0. So the intersection point is 0 and 4. So the area will be integration from 0 until 4. Above one is the square root x minus the half x dx. Okay, so the area will be integration from 0 until 4x to the power half minus x over 2 dx. Then it will be x to the power 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 minus the x squared over 2 times 2 from 0 until 4. Then it is the 2 over 3 square root of x cubed minus the x squared over 4. Then is 2 over 3 square root 4 cubed minus the 4 square over 4 and then minus 0 minus 0. Okay, then it will be 2 cubed 8 16 over 3 minus 4. So it will be 4 over 3. Okay, 4 over 3 is 1 and 1 over 3. Okay, then D, we have the y equal to 4x minus x squared and 2x plus y equal to 0. So 4x minus x squared equal to 0, x 4 minus x equal to 0, x equal to 0, and x equal to 4. Because it's negative, then is the shape is the inverted one. Okay, so we have this. So the graph will be 0 and 4. 0 and 4. So it's like this. This is 0 and 4, x and y. So this equation is y equal to 4x minus x squared. Okay. And then this one is y equal to negative 2x. So negative 2x is negative 2x plus 0. Okay, so the graph should be something like this. Okay, so this is y equal to negative 2x. And from here, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Or we can just let this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So we sub 1 into 2. We have the 2x plus 4x minus x squared equal to 0, 6x minus x squared equal to 0, x factorized, 6 minus x equal to 0. So we have the x equal to 0 and the x equal to 6. So this is 0 and this will be 6. So the area will be the integration of the above is the 4x minus x squared minus the negative 2x dx. Okay, from 0 until 6. Okay, so this is integration from 0 until 6. 4x plus 2x is 6x minus x squared dx. Then is the 6x squared over 2 minus x cubed over 3 from 0 until 6. So it is 3 6 square minus 6 cubed over 3 and then minus the 0 minus 0. Okay, so we have the 3 times 36 minus 216 over 3, then it's 36. Okay, okay, so E, we know that the root is 1 and 5. Okay, and then when x is 0, y is 5. Okay, so we have the 1 and 5 here. So something like this. Okay. Mm. 1, 5. When x is 0, y is 5. So y equal to x minus 1. So the graph will be like this. Okay. So negative 1 upward. Okay. So we have equation 1, equation 2. So uh sub 1 into 2, then we have the x minus 1 times the x minus 5 equal to x minus 1. So we have the x minus 1, x minus 5 minus the x minus 1 equal to 0. And then we factorize the x minus 1. Then we have the x minus 1, x minus 5 minus 1 equal to 0. So what we have a 1 here. And then we factorize the x minus 1. Actually, I can expand this, but I think it's easier, okay, if we do the factorization, x minus 6 equal to 0. So x equal to 1 and x equal to 6. So 1 and 6 here. So I make a mistake for my drawing. So the drawing shouldn't be like this. It will pass through the one here. So it will pass through the one here. Okay. Uh, so this will be something like this. And then we have the 6 here. So it's from 1 until 6. So the graph above is the x minus 1 and the graph below is the x minus 1 uh, times the uh, x minus 5. So the integration, the area under graph will be integration from 1 until 5 and the x minus 1 minus the x minus 1 times x minus 5 dx. Okay, so this one is x squared minus 5x minus x and then plus 5. So it's integrate 1 until 5, the x minus 1 minus the x squared minus 6x plus 5 dx. And this will be the integration 1 until 5 x negative x squared x minus negative 6, then is plus 7x minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6 dx. So it's negative x cubed over 3 plus 7x squared over 2 minus 6x from 1 until 6, or 1 until 6, not 1 until 5. So this is 1 until 6, 1 until 6. Okay. So it will be negative 6 cubed over 3 plus 7 times 6 squared over 2 minus 6 times 6. And then this minus negative 1 cubed over 3 plus 7 times 1 squared over 2 minus 6 times 1. So we have the negative x cubed over 3 plus 7x squared over 2 minus 6x. We substitute with 6, then it's 18, and we substitute with 1, then we have the 17 over 6, then is 20 and 5 over 6. Yes. Okay. So we have the 18 minus answer 125 over 6. Yeah, correct. That